Hello everyone. So our new topic in this chapter is the digestive gland. So we all know that in our body there are too many digestive glands that helps in the process of digestion of the food. So some of the digestive glands are the salivary glands that helps inside our mouth, or basically that is present in the buccal cavity, and the second one that is the liver, and the third one that is the pancreas. All these digestive glands secrete some types of enzymes or hormones that helps in the process of digestion of the food. Now starting with the topic of the salivary gland. So we all know that salivary gland is located just outside the buccal cavity where the saliva secretes. Now the division of the salivary glands are based on the first one, that is the parotids, and these parotids are present on the cheeks. Second one, that is the submaxillary. Submaxillary is also known by the second name, that is the submandibular, and their location of the submaxillary is on the lower jaw, that means the second or the base of the mouth. The third salivary gland, that is also known by the sublingual. Sublingual is located below the tongue. So these three are the salivary glands that secrete saliva and that are located on the different positions inside our mouth. Now we will start a topic that is about the liver. So this is the diagram of a liver, stomach and pancreas. So we all know that this is the structure that is present is called the liver. This is the gallbladder. This is a common bile duct, and this is the duodenum. This is the starting part of the small intestine, the first part. So this is known by the term duodenum. Now here the first organ, J-shaped organ, that is known by the name stomach, and here it is the pancreas, that is only in the color of, basically these are represented in the color of yellow. So these all are the pancreas, and here it is the pancreatic duct. So starting with the features of the liver, so we all know that liver is the largest gland, and the location of the liver is almost right side of the abdominal cavity, just below the diaphragm, and the weight of the liver is about 1.2 to 1.5 kilogram in human or in human adult. And we all know that liver contains the hepatic lobules, and these hepatic lobules are also known by the term that is the structural and the functional unit of liver, and these are also covered by the Gleason's capsule. So the Gleason's capsules, these are covered with Gleason's capsules. So these Gleason's capsules is basically a sheet of the connecting tissues. Now the fourth or the fifth point tells us about the lobules. So the lobules contains the hepatic cells that secrete the bile that helps in the digestion, that is the bile juice, and these biles are basically stored in the gallbladder. So the bile passing through the hepatic duct get also stored in the gallbladder. A gallbladder is a structural or a muscular sac-like structure where the bile juice is present. So in the diagram I have shown you that there were two common bile ducts. The first one is the bile duct and the second one is the hepatopancreatic duct. So the bile duct is basically consists of the hepatic duct, that is also known by the term that is the liver duct, and the second one that is the cystic duct, and this cystic duct is also known by the term gallbladder duct. So the common bile duct consists of the hepatic duct and the cystic duct, and the second one that is the hepatic pancreatic duct that consists of the common bile duct plus the pancreatic duct. Now the hepatopancreatic duct open into the duodenum, that is the first part of the small intestine, and we all know that the sphincter of the Oddi guard is the opening of the hepatopancreatic duct. Now our next topic is about the organ, or we can say the pancreas. So the pancreas are located between the limbs of the U-shaped duodenum and the compound glands having both endocrine and the exocrine part. So we all know that the pancreas consists of two types of gland. The first one, that is the endocrine part, and the second one, that is the exocrine part. In the endocrine section, we all know that it secretes the hormone such as the insulin and the glucagon. In the exocrine, that is the externally hormones that doesn't have any types of tubules or tube like structure for the secretion of hormones, and this exocrine secretes the pancreatic juice containing some enzymes, and they are directly flowed inside the blood. Now this was about the liver and the pancreas as I have shown in your diagram. So in the next part of the video we will talk about the process of digestion of the food and the absorption of the food. So till then, thanks for watching this video.